Hello everyone, Grandma here. It is mint season and Grandpa and I have lots of fresh spearmint growing in our garden. I thought it would be nice to make some spearmint leaf candy with it. I'm not sure how old this recipe is, but it is very easy to make. It only requires 3 ingredients. Some fresh mint leaves. You can use spearmint, peppermint, or any kind of mint that you're growing. 1 egg white that we are going to beat until it is stiff, and some confectionery sugar. So the first thing that I did was wash and dry the mint leaves. Now I'm going to beat the egg white until it's stiff. I have a nice small bowl here. I'm going to pour my egg white into the bowl. I'm going to use my hand beater to beat the egg white until it comes to a peak. I think it's all ready now. The egg whites are stiff. So now I'll be ready to start making the candy. I put parchment paper on my baking sheet, and now I have my tweezers. I use these tweezers all the time when I bake cookies to decorate and everything, and I think these might be good to make the candy with. So now I'm going to take my mint leaf, take a mint leaf here, and dip it in the egg white. And then dip it in the confectionery sugar. And then put it on my parchment paper. Now I have to preheat my oven to 200 degrees. Now if you hear that noise, it's my oven preheating. I'll take the next leaf and then put it in the confectionery sugar. And we'll see how this comes out. The mint leaves have all been coated, and now I'm going to bake these in a very low oven at 200 degrees for 30 minutes or until they are crispy. I just took the candy out of the oven and you could really smell the mint, and I had it cooking for 35 minutes. I'm carefully removing the leaves, the mint leaves, from the parchment paper, but they're nice and crispy. And they smell very good. How's it taste, Grandpa?
Let you know in a minute, Ma. Very crispy, and that spearmint flavor really comes out great. If you like spearmint, very nice. Very nice homemade candy if you got peppermint, spearmint, or any other type of mint growing in your garden. Doing this with kids, they'd enjoy it. Make their own candy.
I'm going to try a piece now. Ooh, delicious. Melts in your mouth. These mint candies would be good as an after-dinner mint, and also if you have an upset stomach or indigestion, these candies would help settle your stomach.